channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I will be unboxing my big Christmas gift from Dior that I bought from me to me. I'm in such a good festive mood already. It is the weekend before Christmas next week, and I will be doing what I got for Christmas as well because I bought some more gifts for myself, but I thought this deserved a separate video. And oh my god, I'm so in love with this packaging. I can't wait to show you what I got. I don't think anyone guessed it in the comments in my previous video. There is a shopping vlog that went up a couple of days ago when I went and bought this. It's a handbag. It's a big gift. So yeah, can't wait to unbox it with you, and let's see how many of you will guess what I got. So far no one guessed, so let's see, let's get started. I think I'm way too excited because I started feeling really hot and I had to open the window. Hopefully it will be fine, there will be no noise from the outside world. But let me start with the unboxing first. Let's talk about the festive packaging this year. Dior always does the best Christmas packaging, and this year they did not disappoint because it is absolutely stunning. I will keep this forever. I love collecting these limited edition bags. Also, the box inside is in the same print. I'm like so in love. Alright, let's see. It is so beautifully wrapped. I bought this from Selfridges, and I have a wonderful friend, Essay, there. Her name is Alex. You can find her on the second floor shoe department. She moved upstairs. She will be able to help with shoes, bags, accessories, everything. She's very sweet. And this is my receipt. So let's see what's in here. The box is coming out. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Alright guys, this is the beautiful Dior Christmas box this year. It is so stunning. I don't want to unbox it. It is absolutely beautiful. This was under my Christmas tree, so you might have spotted this already in my previous sit down videos, and I can't wait to show you. Okay, let's open this. Can you tell by the size of the box what I got? It is a handbag, as I mentioned. Oh my god, it is so beautifully wrapped. Alex did a great job wrapping this baby. Okay, judging by the size, you can kind of tell already, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting. But if you wanna play a guessing game, you can guess the color. So you can pause the video and guess the color and see how many of you will guess it right. Are you guys ready? This is my new baby. This is the handbag that I picked. I am absolutely in love with this bag, and I know many of you will be like, wait, what? Did you really buy this bag? I admit I wasn't a fan of this bag, and I'm still not the biggest fan. I'll explain in a bit though. However, I saw this and I had to get it. So this is one of Dior's newest releases, and this has been such a popular trendy bag recently. It was actually sold out when they first released it. It was sold out for quite some time. It was impossible to find. There was this huge boom on social media. They gifted this bag to all the big bloggers to promote. Actually, their marketing strategy is really good and it works. It worked with the saddle, it worked with this bag, and initially I wasn't a fan. I did mention it in a couple of videos. I even remember when I was traveling earlier this year in one of my shopping vlogs from Heathrow, that was the first time I tried this bag on, and I said I'm not a fan, but it might grow on me. And I guess I had to find the perfect color. So actually I'm still not the biggest fan of this bag in the other colors. I would never buy another color. I only bought this bag because of the color. I totally fell in love with this dark, deep navy blue color, and another thing that sold me was the crinkled calfskin leather. I'll insert some better footage, some close-up so you can see the bag better, but I fell in love with the crinkled leather. I think it gave the bag such a nice look, and the gold hardware really stands out on this gorgeous deep blue, and it looks so beautiful. So this is the only color that I would buy this bag in. I wouldn't buy it in black, I wouldn't buy it in any of the other colors. I'm really not a fan. I'm not a fan of the smooth leather as well. The leather and the color combination really sold me. That's what sold me. It is such a beautiful bag. It is very lightweight, and I can't wait to start wearing it. My mum is actually obsessed with the buckle of the bag, and I'm sure she might want to steal this bag from me very soon. Actually, she did say to me over the phone, when you get tired of this bag, don't sell it, give it to me. So mum, I promise you, once I get tired of this bag, I will give it to you. My mum will be so happy right now because I know she watches my videos. Alright, so this is the bag. It is very, very lightweight, as I mentioned. It is a very simple design. To be honest, if you're not really into fashion, you wouldn't even know this is a Dior bag. The buckle, even like the logo on the buckle, is very understated. But fun fact is, can you guys see it's like a CD? When you turn the bag upside down, you can still see CD. It is actually quite cool. So yeah, this is the new bag. I also really love the 30 Montan written on the bag. Can you guys see? I think it's kind of showing. The bag is very reflective because I have two lights here. But again, I'll show you up close. It has a pocket, a very slim pocket at the back, and it opens like this. You push the little thingy in the middle down here, and this is the bag inside. Oh, there is paper. Let me remove all the paper. It comes with a strap, which I will put in a bit, and it is one big compartment, and it has a smaller pocket on the front and a zipper pocket at the back. So that's the bag. It's actually a very simple plain bag. Let me put on the long strap. It comes with this long leather strap, which is removable, as you can see, so you can actually wear this bag as a clutch. The strap is also adjustable, which I love, and I love that the little holes are coated in gold metal. This is a really, really lovely detail. It looks really lovely when you crossbody it. It actually looks really lovely. Another thing I love about this strap is that it's leather, and I feel that if they put a chain strap on this bag, it wouldn't look as nice. And also I find that chain straps really dig in. They could dig in your shoulder, and also for bigger chested girls like me, they really don't look very flattering when you put them crossbody. So this bag actually looks really lovely crossbody, but you can also use it as a top handle bag. It kind of works, and you can wear it as a clutch. I'm not sure if it comes in other sizes. I think they only do one size, but I might be wrong, so you can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. But I do know that it comes in different finishes. I think they released a new style that has a chain strap, but again, I'm not 100% sure. I think I've seen it. Actually, I think even Alex showed me it, but I didn't really pay attention because I wasn't a fan. So yeah, this is my new little baby. I love it so much, and I can't wait to wear it. I think it will be very, very easy to style. I love the color. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I had a vintage Dior bag with the Dior monogram print on it, but I ended up selling that. So that was actually my only similar bag that had the navy oblique print, and I ended up selling it, but I do remember that it was very easy to style. This will actually look really cool with what I'm wearing now. I'll link my outfit in the description box, so you can find all the details. Everything will be linked down in the description box. So yeah, this is my big Christmas gift. I ended up buying this because the coat, the Louis Vuitton coat, was impossible to find. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. Also, I have a very cool vlog from Louis Vuitton's cruise collection. I tried on this amazing, fabulous coat there, and this is the coat that I'm talking about. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it if you want to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, the coat didn't happen, so I ended up buying this, and I really, really love it. I have one more thing to show you, so hold on. Actually, before I show you the next item, I forgot to mention something very important. If you are considering getting the 31 tan bag, I would advise you guys to get it in a crinkled calfskin or calfskin leather at least, because if you get it in a lump, it will scratch like crazy. I think that calfskin is a safer option, and to be honest, I do prefer the look of calfskin as well. I think it looks very cool, it's more durable, you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's one thing that I forgot to mention. So next I wanted to quickly show you something else that you might have seen in my Dior cruise collection video, which I will also link. That is a very fun vlog. I felt like a princess. I was invited to a Dior event and I tried some amazing outfits, so I will make sure I link that one as well. And I also wanted to show you this. This was a free gift that we received from the event, and I wanted to show you it in this video because it is so beautiful. It has the gorgeous prints from the new cruise collection, which by the way is absolutely amazing. The 31 tan that I got is from the new cruise collection. The color is from the new cruise collection, so it's a limited edition color. So yeah, this is the bag that they gave us. This is the bag, and you can go grocery shopping with this, or I don't know, I'm sure I'll use it for even like to go out because it is so beautiful, like for a casual day. It has the Christian Dior. These actually come in different prints, but I love this one with this little, what is this, like a lion with wings? It is so beautiful. They have the same Lady Dior bag, which is stunning. One last thing that I wanted to mention before I end this video is that I am selling some luxury items on my eBay. I normally show you them on my YouTube channel, but I think there is one day left until the listings end. So if you're interested, you can check them out. I'm selling some Dior, Chanel, some of my clothes. So if you're interested, I have some Ganni. So if you're interested, you can check the items. My eBay account will be linked in the description box. Yeah, I'm selling 2 pairs of Dior earrings that are stunning. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of my new 31 tan bag. Did you expect it? I bet no one expected me to buy a 31 tan bag. I know. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Do you have the bag? What do you think about this bag? Are you considering getting the 31 tan? Let me know. I'll be very interested to read your comments. I am very excited to wear it finally, now that I've unboxed it. So yeah, that's all. There will be another what I got for Christmas video because I got more things for Christmas. So there will be another big unboxing what I got for Christmas video coming next, I think. So yeah, that's it from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. You can come follow me on my other social media platforms, which are linked down below, and you can come follow me here on my Instagram, where you can see me styling my new baby Dior bag. And you can also see my daily outfits. So yeah, if you're interested, come say hello on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.